Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you how I made chocolate chip cookies. The ingredients are listed below. Begin by combining room temperatured butter with white sugar and brown sugar and creaming it together until it's well mixed. Then add an egg and vanilla extract and whisk it again until well incorporated. Now to combine the dry ingredients, add in half of the all-purpose flour, then mix it together until it becomes a runny dough. Then add baking soda, the other half of the all-purpose flour, and also salt, and mix it together until it becomes a dough. Then add in the Chocochips, and make sure to cover it with a cling wrap and refrigerate it for 15 to 30 minutes or up to 3 days. To prepare for baking, use a tablespoon and roll it in your hands, or you may also use ice cream scooper and place it in the baking sheet. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 190 degrees before baking and bake it for 15 to 20 minutes, and once done, cool it off and enjoy!